The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. One of those videos I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to explain to you while I move along to make things move a little faster. Alright? Now, there are reports out there that gave me the understanding that the intersection of North Odeon Avenue and Eastwood Park Road, that is within Afro Tree St. Andrew, Jamaica, was impassable, right? And it is said that this had happened because of a fatal shooting incident that happened within the area that is right beside the Halfway Tree Transport Center. You understand? And because of this incident, motorists had been asked to take alternative routes. Now, according to reports, it is said that this had happened on the 6th of July 2020, and according to reports, it is said that a man had been shot by an unknown assailant. It is said that the person who got shot was rushed to a hospital, and it is said that he later succumbed to his injuries. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And in these videos, you're going to hear persons trying to give a little of their understanding about this incident that happened. And please bear in mind that some of the things that have been said in these videos might not be accurate as to how the incident had happened. Alright? Now, I'm presenting these videos to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, remember, these videos have been put together and put out there on social media. Alright? And this is a warning that these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
People, half a tree this, yellow tape. All car turn up South Odeon Avenue. See me? We don't know what fully go on it, but yellow tape. Right at bus park. Copy? Yellow tape. See there, people? Right at all vehicles go up South Odeon. Right at Ruby's gas station, yes sir? My Eastwood Park Road, something go on. Yo. Right, you say go on, what you say now? Bus park. See me? You get shot, them say. When them rush to him go to the hospital, but them say look like him dead, So the place block off. Place block off, yo. See there? Yeah. Right, that's our bus park, Kingston, Jamaica.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The two pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And in these videos, persons try to give a little of their understanding about the shooting incident that happened beside the Halfway Tree Transport Center, and this shooting incident is said to be a fatal shooting incident. Alright? Now, the video that I'm going to leave with you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a standoff between law enforcers within the country of Jamaica and residents within a community within the country of Jamaica. This video is going to show members of the Jamaica Defense Force and the members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force in a hostile confrontation with residents within a community within the country of Jamaica. This video is going to show police officers trying to arrest a person, but however, residents within that community was adamant that the person who the police officers were trying to arrest should not comply with the instructions of the officers. I do not have any information as to when this video had been recorded, and in this video you're going to hear persons using harsh languages, and this video shows when a police officer fired shots in the air. Alright, now I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about, and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, but before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Now, until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.